bringing Israel to the world. This is IBN News.
With news of Israel, I'm Susan Michaels. Following the alleged Hezbollah attack on Israel's border with Lebanon, which was thwarted by IDF troops early this week, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu toured the border region. During a situation assessment at the Northern Command headquarters, the Prime Minister said, "I do not suggest anyone try testing the IDF or the State of Israel. We are determined to defend ourselves." He went on, "Yesterday's operation was important and prevented an infiltration into our territory." The infiltration attempt by the Iran-backed group came Monday when a cell of between 3 and 5 advanced several meters into Israeli territory. IDF troops opened fire at the cell and they fled back across the border. Netanyahu went on, "Everything that is happening right now is the result of an Iranian attempt to establish itself in our region," also stating that the IDF is prepared for any scenario. The new coronavirus czar, Professor Roni Gamzu, has presented key aspects of his Magen Israel, or Israel Protector, plan, which is focused on checking the spread of the virus resurging across the country. At a press conference, Gamzu said that as part of his plan, the country's contact tracing program will now be handled by the IDF, saying the program is at the heart of stopping the pandemic. Gamzu also stressed the importance of wearing masks, showing data from the U.S. claiming that as adherence to face masks went down, virus morbidity increased. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, Defense Minister Benny Gantz, and Health Minister Yuli Edelstein have all pledged their support. More and more hospitals across Israel are failing to cope with the increase of COVID-19 patients as the second wave of the pandemic sweeps across the country. With 4 hospitals already reporting their occupancy limit has been reached, some have even begun releasing geriatric patients and those in mild condition to their homes in order to lighten the load and make room for any incoming coronavirus patients. It's reported that Jerusalem has been hit especially hard. And even with Hezbollah's attempt to infiltrate Israel's northern border, Israelis traveling north for holiday say they have no intention of allowing Hezbollah to take away their last option for a holiday. I'm Susan Michaels.
IBN, Israel Broadcast Network.